Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a house on a hill. Let's start. We're done drawing the hill and the house. Now we'll draw the path. I made a star down my path. Now I'm going to draw a sunny or a cold day. There's a little bit. It's windy and sunny. Alright, I have an idea. Alright, I'm done. There's a circle right here, so I can draw me with my full family going to Walmart. Where you go shopping. Here's my dad. That could be my brother and my mom. I'm done. We're done with drawing. Looks like some three birds are out. Now we'll color a few things. There. I can color mine like this. Because I don't even have an inside, I'll color it like that. Like a normal, sensible tree. I'll color the house. Alright. Now it's time for red from the big block. The window will be yellow. And the door, maybe as my other house, the color brown. It was brown at the other house where I lived. We're done. Bye! Oh, wait. Before I say bye, I have two things. How we draw our base. So, I drawed a cube, then a triangle roof, and then a door, and then a cube and a plus in that small cube, and then the sun, and then a tree, and then a path, and then my family, and then a store called, I put Walmart, you can put whatever store you know. And that's how I made mine. My dad made a tree, a sun, a house, a path, and a hill. I did too. And I'll tell you the story I made up. Once upon a time, there was one family going shopping. That family collected in that shop fruits, vegetables, and milk and eggs, all healthy stuff, and some donuts and candy and not healthy stuff. But what they did, how they ate it, was one thing each day in a pattern. Like the first day, they ate healthy. The next day, they ate sweet. The other day, just like that. The other day, they copied. They just went back and forward. The day ran out. They went shopping again. They collected sweets and healthy things and did the same thing on and on and on. The end. Bye!